In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add bank deposit payment method in Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store admin, go to the settings area. From there, select Payments. This is where Shopify lets you manage the payment options that customers can use when placing an order. On the Payments page, scroll down until you find the Manual Payment Methods section. Manual payment methods are useful when you want customers to complete payment outside of Shopify, and bank deposit is one of the common options for that. When you are in the correct section, click Add Manual Payment Method. A drop-down list will appear with the available manual payment choices. From that list, select Bank Deposit. This opens the setup screen where you can add the details your customers will need in order to send payment directly to your bank account. You will then see a field called Additional Details. In this area, enter any information you want customers to see during checkout. This is a good place to include short and clear notes that help the customer understand what to expect after placing the order. Keep this section simple so it is easy to read. Next, move to the Payment Instructions field. This part is very important because it tells the customer exactly how to complete the bank transfer. Here, enter your bank details, such as the account name, account number, routing number, and bank name, along with the expected transfer timeline. Make sure the instructions are accurate and easy to follow. Clear instructions can help reduce delays and prevent confusion during the payment process. Before saving, it is a good idea to review everything you entered. Check that the wording is clear and that the banking information is correct. Since customers will rely on these details to complete their payment, accuracy matters. Once everything looks good, click Activate Bank Deposit. After that, the bank deposit option will be added to your store as a manual payment method. Customers will then be able to choose it during checkout and follow the instructions you provided. This setup is especially helpful if you want to offer an alternative to card payments or need to support customers who prefer direct bank transfers. Just remember to keep your payment details updated anytime your banking information changes. That covers everything you need to know.